Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Shopify Search and Discovery Insights for SEO, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Shopify account and log in. Navigate to the Apps section from the main dashboard. In the Apps section, locate the Shopify Search and Discovery app. Click on the app to open the interface. Once inside the app, go to the Insights tab. Here, you will find valuable data on how customers are interacting with your store. To download the insights, look for the Download button or option on the page. Click on the Download option. You may be prompted to choose the format for your download, typically CSV or Excel. Select your preferred format and confirm your choice. The file will begin downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file using a spreadsheet application such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the insights provided in the spreadsheet. Take note of key metrics that can improve your SEO strategy. Identify popular search terms and customer preferences. Use this data to optimize your product descriptions and keywords. Regularly download insights to stay updated on changing customer behaviors. Incorporate the insights into your ongoing SEO efforts for better visibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.